The Numeracy Centre hasn't just made it easier, it's made it work.
So going through the Numeracy Centre is like playing tug of war with more people on your side.
For anyone, if you want to do really well in the course, then that's the place you should be.
You can go into the Numeracy Centre and ask for help, and everyone's happy to help. That's why they're there, and it's why the centre's there.
I recommend all students to go to the Numeracy Centre. I chase them down, I'm like, are you doing maths? Go to the Numeracy Centre.
Absolutely, I recommend the Numeracy Centre to all the new students, especially who enrolled in a maths course, and because this is such a secret weapon that you can get to get to your success.
It's a drop-in centre, you can literally go at any time. You don't have to make an appointment.
It's open all 5 days a week.
So there is a roster that is up on the Numeracy Centre wall, and it displays the timetable for the Numeracy Centre. So whether tutors are there for statistics or discrete mathematics or just the general mathematics units.
So you've got a really good mix of guidance. It's perfect. It's incredible.
At first I thought that it's just a place for maths people who just go and do only maths.
It's completely different when you actually go there. It's just such a inviting space.
The sense of community at the Numeracy Centre, it was really important for me when I started university.
If the Numeracy Centre did not exist, I wouldn't have met a lot of my best friends.
It's offered me so much support, both academically and socially, and even emotionally sometimes, especially near exam and assignment periods.
For some of the units, they also arrange some pre-exam workshops, which are really helpful.
And you can sit down and study, and you can communicate with other people and have connection with them.
I think that's really broadened my understanding of a lot of the mathematics I've learned through university.
You will find someone in the Numeracy Centre always ready to help you.
If I was to recommend mathematics at Macquarie for any reason, for any person starting mathematics, it would be because of the Numeracy Centre's support.
I am not doing a maths degree. I'm a physics student, but still I go to Numeracy Centre and it helps my studies.
I don't really want to think about what my studies would look like if I didn't go to the Numeracy Centre.
Please go and visit Numeracy Centre.